Did you know that there are veterans, the very people who fought for our freedom, literally going hungry, while politicians are out there playing footsies under the table? Isn't that right, Ollie? Well, yeah, you might have heard me right. Angry, absolutely starving. Well, today we got a guest who's had enough of the nonsense and is out here doing the work of God with vegan meals. Vegan meals, y'all. Yes, vegan. Stick around because Chef Supreme Dow is in the building, the virtual building. We're going to be talking about how food can be a weapon or a medicine and why he's flipping the script on how we take care of our heroes. Are you excited for it? Are you excited for it, Holly? I think he's excited for it too. Let's run it.
And we'll be right back. Come with me, let's rap. Take a trip and we back. And we'll be right back. I stand for what you stand for. Hey, I get on the mic and I transform. Follow me on this world tour. The asteroid that you can't avoid. Follow me.
Welcome back to the Transform You Live show. I'm your host, Marcus Hart, bringing you transformative, empowering, and downright necessary conversations that shift the way you see the world and, of course, yourself. Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that's equally part heartbreaking and then also inspiring. We're talking about food insecurity, but not just any food insecurity. This is about our veterans, the same folks who risked their lives and limbs for our freedoms being left behind. Joining me today is Chef Supreme Dow. He's not just a chef, he's a force of nature, a disruptor, and the founder of the Harvest Academy. This guy isn't just serving meals, he's serving purpose, and I can't wait to unpack how he's turning food into medicine and why he's leading with integrity in ways that will inspire us all. So, Chef, welcome to the show.
What's going on? How you doing, good brother? Glad to be here. I'm looking forward to the dialogue and conversation, you know what I mean? Because it's an important one. It's imperative that the message gets out because, you know, the whole is always greater than the sum of its parts. So if we all can look out, then we all can look good.
Indeed. Well, Chef, let's get into it, man. You know, you went from being a chef to championing food insecurity, especially among our veterans. What was the moment that made you say, enough is enough? This is my fight right now.
Well, I'm from Philly, so I'm not from LA, but like everybody else, you know what I mean? I came to LA with a dream. You know, I told my pop like 25 years ago, I was going to come to LA, be a celebrity chef, do all those different kinds of things. So when I got here, I was fortunate because as soon as I got here, I was right in the mix. So like your India Aries, your Andre 3000s, Dwight Howards. I was just cooking and catering events for tons of people. And this is me like 3 months into LA. You feel what I'm saying? So I was fortunate. But then what I realized was as I'm like really getting immersed in these Hollywood parties, these Beverly Hills parties, these Bel Air parties, it's billions and billions and billions of dollars being talked about, being changing hands. And then you go literally a block outside of these certain complexes and you'll find somebody who ain't had $10 in 10 years. You feel me? I just got done feeding 100 millionaires. I go into Starbucks to get a vanilla chai with almond milk. Bro, like, can I get $5 to get something to eat? Like, I'm like, yo, this is goofy. So, and also most people come to LA, they come to take, because they coming to make their things come true. So they got to pull from LA. Like the way karma works, you got to give to receive on a very, very practical level. You feel me? So I figured, you know, I kind of stopped what I was doing. Because I saw when I got here, I was automatically successful. So I could have used that and been greedy and like really just dove into that. But I'm like, you know what? If I give back without getting return, it'd be way more. And it'd be, you know what I mean? Just a lot better on my heart, if you will.
Yeah, that's so powerful, man. You're absolutely right. We got politicians, we got celebrities that are really making promises while people are out here struggling. And it's like a leaking a faucet, man, with duct tape on. So,
right.
And when you see the streets of LA, I had the privilege of meeting her over the summer, and yeah, it is a crisis. It's a real crisis, and you know, most people, you know, like you said, they come up to you, you know, they're not looking for a buck to get rich. They're looking for a buck to fill their bellies, and that's crazy, absolutely crazy.